Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can actually couple or assemble this very solar fan, Infinisolar Rechargeable fan. So in case you bought this fan and you don't know how to couple it or assemble it, watch to the end so that you will know how you can assemble this fan. Now let's get in. So now, guys, as you can see, all here are the different parts of the fan that were brought from the carton. Here's the carton here. You can see all here are the parts that are on the ground, and in this video I want to show you how you can couple or assemble this very part into a standing fan. Okay, now let me start. Pay attention, okay, carefully. Now to start, first of all, you start with this very stand. See this stand here? You want to sit this stand here. Now how do I sit it? Click here. Now I'll bring this one like this. You can see it, right? Like, put it here, turn it upside down. You will see this screw. You see this very screw here. Then look at it, put it here and screw it until it will hold it inside. You can see, right? Screw it. I've screwed it firm. If I turn it, you can see now it's firm. Then I'll sit this on the ground. If I sit this on the ground, now the next thing I'll do is that I'll bring the rear fan head, this very one here. You can see. So I want to put this one here. Now how to do it? You see this very screw here. Look at the inside. So losing generally so that this one can sit here, not all. Then shift this one here, then sit it. You can see it, right? Then turn it and screw this to hold it firmly. You can see right now it's strong. You can see it, right? Okay. Yes. If I look this way, you can see we are progressing. Okay. Now how do I now put the other part? Now let's come to the other part. Let me turn this way so that we'll have a clearer picture. Let me turn the light. Now we want to mount this. I bring this, there are two. I bring this first of all. Look at it here. So this one is tight. It can't just go like that. So this one is tied this way. So to untie it, so this way to untie it, you can see, loosen it. This one too. Let me come in closer. This one, loosen it too. That's it. Then bring one of this span, put it here, and bring this one. You can see, put it here back and screw it. Make it strong. It's firm. You can see it, right? Okay. So now next thing is to put the blade loop. So turn it this way. You can see this way, and put it here. You can see it, right? Then this head that you remove from it, put it here and screw this way. Screw it hard to hold it strong. You can see. Technology. Okay, so you bring the other plate. Here's the second plate. Okay, let me bring the camera far. So this plate here. Okay. Okay. So come closer. This one, using it, then put it here. So everywhere has clicked. You can see our fan is standing. Yes. Now how do we on our fan? You can see right now, even if I come here and press, it won't on because I haven't done one thing. And to do this one thing, I will turn this fan like this to connect it, to connect the battery. You can see here is the nut. That's why the fan came with this screw here, screwdriver. So screw out this nut out. So bring it out. You can see. Then bring out this. You can see here's the battery. So I want to connect the battery. There's a rope here. You can see it right because it's a new fan. You can see. So I'll bring it this way, connect it, and then put it back. Then I'll turn it. Now if I tap on, you can see our fan is on now. Right now our fan is on. You can see gear 6. It has light. You can see now I can use the remote. Here's the remote. On the remote here, remove this nut on here, hold it and drag out. Drag it out, remove it. Now on the remote here, I can off the fan. Because this is power button, it's off. You can see the fan is off. You can see the remote, it's off. I can on it. I'll tap it again, power button. It's on. You can see it right. I can change the lights. This is the light here. I'll put the light here. You can see light change, light off. I can change the gear. Here's the speed. The gear, I come here on minus, reduce the gear to 1. You can see the gear is reducing. Here's the gear here. Here's the remote. I can increase it speed. It's increasing. I can decrease it. The light. I off it. To off it, press here. And it's off. Look. So guys, that I can actually assemble this solar fan. So in my next video, I'll make a review about the fan. So for now, thank you guys and bye.